Hello. Hi, Erica. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Fiorella. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. I was just cleaning my room. And you?
Oh, I'm good too. Who's relaxing a little? It's nice to hear your voice.
Thank you. It's nice to tell. To you too. What are you doing right now?
I'm sitting on my sofa and drinking some coffee. Why? Where is your sofa, Erica?
My sofa is in the living room, between the windows and the small table. And yours?
Mine is front of the TV. I like to watch movies there with me, my family.
That sounds really nice. And tell me, is your lamp on the table?
No, it's annexed to the sofa. And your lamp?
My lamp is in my bedroom, on the desk, beside my books.
Oh, I see. And where is your bed?
My bed is near the wall and under the big picture. And yours?
It's next to the windows. I like to read there before I go to sleep.
That's lovely. Do you also have a radio in your bedroom?
Yes, I do. It's on my nightstand next to my clock.
Wow, your house sounds very nice, Fiorella.
Thank you, Erica. What to visit your living room someday?
Sure, maybe next weekend you can come over and we can have some coffee and talk.
Oh, that sounds great. It really like that.
Perfect. Well, I have to finish my cleaning now, but it was nice talking to you.
Sam here. It's always nice to chat with you. How wonderful by Erica.
Thank you, Fiorella. You too. Take care and talk to you soon.
Bye, bye, my friend. God bless you.
Bye, Fiorella. Blessing to you too.
Bye.